para sa ating munisipyo, para sa ating San Nicolas. There are so many things na pangarap ko para sa atin, and it's going to require a lot of work, and that's the thing that I'm willing to do. I'm willing to do the work that it takes para matupad po yung mga pangarap natin na mas lalong umangat palalo ang San Nicolas, at mararamdaman ninyo yung mga pagbabago kung ako po ay maging mayor ninyo. And then, of course, I've spoken to my uncle, Kong A.M.B. I've spoken to my family, and they've given their support and their blessing.
How about Senator Amy?
Senator Amy, we're going to be setting a meeting with her and with Govmat also to discuss plans. This is something that has to be done soonest.
So with Governor Matthew?
Yes, also. Everyone that needs to be met with and sat down with, they have to know what the ideas I have also and the plans.
Alam na ba yung mga Hernandos yung plano mo na patatakbo kayong mayor?
I know that they're aware, but when you run for a position, it's not so much kung sino yung pwede mo makatapat or makalaban. It's really about ano yung intention nyo, why do you want to run, and I feel like I said, one, I'm ready. Number two, I know I can contribute.
Ano yung vision mo para sa San Nicolas?
Well, in the short time that I've been here so far today, ang dami ko na rin mga nakausap, and really, the main factors would be education, trying to improve the quality of education dito. Pangalawa, siyempre, sikmura ng mga tao. Pangatlo, health. And when we say health services, and at the same time sports, kalusugan, right? So we want to promote healthy mind and healthy body.
Sir, can you be more specific on the projects you're planning to push, if ever?
With regards to
priority areas na nabanggit mo natin.
Okay, so we mentioned education, right? Yes. So we have to understand more about the educational system here. How do we adapt to emerging technologies, and how do we adapt to emerging new ways of thinking? There's a lot of progressive thinkers right now in the field of education, and I feel like we're also very, strict and focused on just one way of doing it. So we want to be able to build more holistic children and students all throughout San Nicolas. I mentioned earlier that I've dream projects of doing a quiz show involving all the students of San Nicolas, at least the junior, senior high school students, because I used to host a quiz show before.
Yes.
So that's something I want to push, because I want to make being smart cool, right? And then you start with the kids, and alam mo, hindi natin kalaban ng technology, hindi natin kalaban ng TikTok, hindi natin kalaban ng YouTube at saka Facebook. We use those as tools. If that's the way to communicate with the young people now, we use them to our advantage. Then sports naman, there are the standard sports that we have, the usual basketball, volleyball, but I also want to explore bringing in obstacle course racing, which is both mental and physical. It's going to be a good space for that, but I assure you, if we are able to put up something like that, that'll bring in tourists, both from the nearby municipalities and cities, and also from outside of Ilocos Norte. Kailangan po handa tayo, hindi lamang po sa ating mental, but also yung buong pagkatao, paghahanda. Tinapos ko muna yung pwede ko tapusin sa show business. Nandun tayo ng more than 2 decades. Tinapos ko yung pwede ko tapusin bilang isang broadcast journalist, isang mamamahayag. And after that, nag-aral po ako. I took my master's sa Asian Institute of Management, master's in entrepreneurship. And after that, nagsimula ako ng pamilya. So now, I have a beautiful 5-year-old daughter.
Okay.
And all of the pieces are falling into place. So ang kailangan lang naman talaga ay tawag nating preparation and opportunity.
Okay. Tatakbo kayo as mayor na San Nicolas. Sino naman ang running mate yun?
Sa puntong ito, wala pa kaming napag-uusapan. Napag-usapan lang ng pamilya ay kung ano yung position na tatakbuhin ko. So I will leave that decision up to them. I'm not in the position yet to decide who my running mate would be.
So you said na may
Yes.
napag-usapan na po, meron po bang
Yes.
basbas na ng mga Marcoses?
Well, I've spoken to, mahanap na tayo. Yung ancestral home namin kasi, although okay dyan, syempre I want to be able to secure my family somewhere. Diba? Para yung public persona ko will be accessible and they're somewhere. You know?
So, the whole family, sir?
The whole family plus extended family plus extended ng mga trusted. So medyo malaki-laking barangay ang darating dito. But they're all very excited for me. Ako, aminado ako na may konting kaba because it's my first time. But we like challenges. We like challenges and at the same time, alam mo, mabilis ako mag-pick up ng mga bagay-bagay. So, pag tayo pinagpala, I would surround myself with people who know more than me. Hindi ako magmamarunong. But I will study as hard as I can to make sure that may angat natin talaga yung San Nicolas. And we'll put San Nicolas on the map. Yan ang goal natin.